You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. You see right here, I've been talking about this movement to the downside. And if you are on this channel and you're watching the video and you are following the analysis and you are taking trades in line, congratulations. You see this big move to the downside yesterday? I've been talking about this very massive move in the market. And also on ETH, I was talking about market move down from here, but we see a little bit of move to the upside and this very crash to the downside. So what are we expecting today in the market as we see a big crash on BTC? All of these and more into this video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you look at the BTC USDT 1-day chart, I've been talking about market moving to the downside. Like I said, if you look at the market move from here to the downside, retracement, move to the downside, consolidation right here before this very movement to the downside. And I've been talking about this very movement, and I was saying that the market have high probability of moving to the downside than moving to the upside. And right now, this is exact same thing we are seeing playing out as I have been analyzing on this channel. So what are we expecting now in the market as we see markets on 19k and below 19k to 18.7k right now? What I am paying attention to right now is the market still coming back down. So between this very area of 17,600 to 17k approximately, I want to say this market still moved to the downside between these two levels. I mean the 17,600 and 1700k level at this very area right here. And this is what I am paying attention to right now, since we've seen this very breakout of this very support. Although the market is still within this support zone, but I am still expecting the market to move to the downside, and we will see retracement within this level of 17,600 and 17k level. And this is what I am paying attention to right now on the long term, on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart, if you look at this area, I've been talking about this very area, and I said expect a breakout, especially in my very last video. And you see this breakout, market break out significantly even below this level of support, and right now see the market right here. So what you should be paying attention to right now is the market retracement, because once you see a big move to the downside like this in the market, expect retracement to come in before the next move to the downside. So pay attention to the market retracing to this level of support, that is the 19k level, then expect continuation of this very impulsive move to the downside. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now. Expect retracement in the market. That means if you did not take a sell when this drop was happening in the market, it's not advisable to take a short position here again, because market will retrace, then it will give you a nice area to take a short position on futures for the market to still move to the downside in form of continuation of this very move right here. So wait for the market to retrace. After retracement, it will be a nice time to enter the market for the market to move to the downside. This is for the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart, BTC USD. And if you look at this very area, ETH USDT right here, see market move up. I was expecting market to move from here to the downside when this very candle was forming, and the reverse happened, market move up, and right now we are seeing this very sharp move to the downside. If you look at this very move, you discover that this move is aggressive compared to what we are seeing at this very point. That also implies that we will see retracement right now in the market. That means we're going to see retracement from this area where the market is to the upside before continuation into this very level of support. Remember, I've been talking about this level of support. The market is going to crash from here into this level of support. So that is what I am still looking out for, because of this very aggressive move to the downside. I am expecting the market to retrace, then continue to the downside. After this very retracement, it will be a nice time to take a short position for the market to crash back down. And I will also talk about this very particular market, 4-hour chart, ETH, right here on this channel. So pay attention to where the market is right now. Don't take a short position from here. Expect retracement at the end of retracement, it will be a nice time to take a short position for continuation of this very move to the downside at this very area. So this is a very big clue for you to trade and put it into your own analysis. What do you think about the market at this very point on ETH? Do you think you're going to see a very massive crash to the downside, or market is going to turn from here to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit. Check the description of this video and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.